Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Look down your nose at, be like, means to act as if you're better than another person or to treat someone with unnecessary superiority. Let's explore some funny and light-hearted example. One, a fancy coffee expert. Be like, you drink regular coffee. Reason, they think their preference is more sophisticated. Two, the brand collector. Be like, you haven't heard of this brand. Reason, they place too much importance on labels. Three, the travel champion. Be like, you've never visited that country. Reason, they assume travel experience makes them superior. For the grammar detective, be like correcting every tiny mistakes. Reason, they may focus too much on perfection. Five, the fitness fanatic, be like you only walk today. Reason, they compare everyone's routines to their own. Six, the tech guru, be like you're still using that device. Reason, they think newer technology is always better. Seven, the food critic, be like you eat that. Reason, different tastes or sometimes unfairly judged. Eight, the movie snob, be like you like popular movies. Reason, the belief may certain films are worthy. Nine, the book collector, be like you haven't read this classic. Reason, they judge other based on the reading choices. 10. The fashion judge, be like, that's what you're wearing. Reason, they place too much value on appearance. 11. The music expert, be like, you listen to that genre. Reason, personal preference become unfair comparisons. 12. The language shows off, be like, mentoring every language they know. Reason, they may seek admiration instead of connection. 13. The luxury enthusiast, be like, I only stay in premium hotels. Reason, they equal comfort with status. 14. The hobby judge, be like, that's your hobby. Reason, they fail to appreciate different interests. 15. The everyday expert, be like, acting like everything they do is the best. Reason, excessive pride can make others uncomfortable. The this idiom, look down your nose at someone reminds us that everyone has different experiences, interests, and lifestyle. Respect, kindness, and humility help builds better friendship and stronger communities. Remember, being confident is great, but respecting others is even better. Keep learning.